Okay, check out these cute little DIY sticker packs. Now these are so cute. I've been seeing these everywhere online, so I decided to get some. How cute are they? They're basically 3D sticker packs. Come with a set of tweezers as well. So what you do is you basically like layer the stickers over the top to create a little scene. This set has the Meow Mini Mart, the Sunshine Flower Shop, cute. Little Butter Bakery, oh my gosh, so cute. Look how cute all these animals are. This Meow Meow House. This is a food market. And what is this one? A shop, a doll machine shop. Oh, cute. And not sure what this is, like a fashion store. Oh no, that's someone's house, I think. And this is a street food kind of market. Super cute. So there's 4 of the bigger ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 of these smaller ones in this pack. And honestly, it's so much fun just to like sit down and kind of decorate, switch your mind off, focus on something really fun to do. You could also give these as cute little gifts for friends. I'm definitely going to send a pack of one of these to one of my friends because I know that she will absolutely love it. Super cute. The stickers are really high quality as well, which is awesome. And they just look really cute. I just love all these little animals. You can see they're so much fun. They've got so many different activities to do. And you can layer it up as much or as little as you want. It is up to you how you design it. Honestly, this is so cute, so much fun. Highly recommend them. Definitely go check them out.